Interesting, what is that bulldozer doing with pink details? Crane also sets up some construction from blue pieces. Seems like cars are building up at Children's Railroad. Yes, it's definitely it. And here is the red part of the bridge. Crane asks Truck to help with the purple railroad. Woohoo! Friends work together perfectly! Bulldozer collects red rails. Here, the red part is almost ready. Truck picks up yellow rails and puts it himself. Crane and bulldozer set up orange parts. Woohoo! Crane brings a train! Great teamwork! The best work!